nomination paper has been received and found to be valid, I hereby declare C. Thomas Isama as having been elected as Speaker of the 11th Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Here I request the Chief Minister and Dr. Nupur Sharma, in absence of Dr. Nupur Isama, I would request Charles Kundro to please escort Thomas Isama to the chair of the Speaker.
Thank you. Now let us take up item number 2, petitions to the newly elected Speaker. Leader of the House, Chief Minister, please.